This is an auto-reconnect adjustable voltage current protector. Now let's connect to the power to learn how to set and use it. Turn the power on. The regulator and the protector show the same voltage value, but this meter is not good. Press the set key to set our voltage value, for example 240 volts. Press the set key again to set under voltage value, for example 200 volts. Then to set voltage fault tripping time, for example 3 seconds. Then to set our current value, for example 6 amps. Now set our current tripping time, for example 3 seconds. And then set auto reconnect time, for example 5 seconds. Finally, press the OK key to finish the settings. Let's turn up the voltage. The device shuts off the output. Now turn the voltage down to the normal. The power will be reconnected automatically. Let's turn down the voltage. The device shuts off the output. Now turn the voltage up to normal. The power will be reconnected automatically. The same to our current test. Thanks for watching.